This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we have a special treat for you. We're going to do a chicken chop suey served on a potato bird's nest. So we got 3 potatoes about medium size here. We're just going to use a potato peeler. You can use a knife if you like. Just take the skin off the potatoes. So that's it. We got the 3 potatoes we peel just using this potato peeler. So we're just going to cut the potatoes into small pieces here. So just cut it in half like this. Cut it into thin slices. So it's easier to cook when you cut it in thin slices. So like that, shoestring potato. Make sure you tuck in your fingers. That's the most important thing. You don't want to lose your fingers doing cooking. So just tuck in your fingers whenever you cut. That's one of the earliest things I learned when I was about 12 years old when I was cooking. We've filled the potatoes in the bottom of this deep frying basket. So I tried to make sure that it's a little bit higher here. It forms a sort of like a potato bowl, potato nest. The oil has been preheated, so just put one potato in there. See if it's frying up properly. Put the potatoes nest in now. So just hold down the potatoes in the middle. It only takes a few minutes to deep fry the potato bird nest. I'm going to double cook the potato bird nest. So just bring it up and let it rest for a few minutes. So let the potato basket deep fry for another few minutes. So as you can see, it's nicely brown now. Put some napkins on a plate so the oil from the potatoes will drain into the napkins. Remove the potato nest onto a plate. So for this recipe I'm going to use 2 chicken breasts. So I'm just going to cut the chicken into fairly large pieces. So it's going to be about 1 inch by 1 inch. So just go like that. So you want to have big pieces of chicken when you present the bird's nest. So to me it looks nicer. We're going to make a simple marinade here. So we're going to put about 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Put about 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. You're going to put about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Put about 3 or 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. And just mix everything together. We have some mushrooms we're going to add to the stir fry. So just cut the mushrooms in half. Or slice it if you like. For me, I'm going to keep everything big on this dish. So we're going to add some broccoli. The broccoli you can keep it in fairly large pieces. We're just going to split them in half or quarters. I found these little mini green peppers in a supermarket the other day. So we're going to make a nice stir fry with this. These are the ingredients you will need. Preheat a wok at medium heat. Put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. So throw in the ginger. That's an aromatic, so that will sear to bring out the flavor of the other veggies. So carrots are also aromatic, so put that in next. Now we're going to sear the chicken, so don't move the chicken for about 30 seconds, just to get a good sear on the chicken. So you got the heat setting at high right now. Put a dash of sesame oil, maybe 1 teaspoon. We're going to use the Mediterranean sea salt, so put about 1 teaspoon of Mediterranean sea salt, which is a natural salt. You can use the regular salt too if you like. So as you can see, you get a nice sear on the chicken right now. So these chicken pieces are fairly thick, so you might have to put it in there for a little bit longer compared to regular sliced chicken. The chicken is cooked about halfway through, so take off the chicken right now. Put another tablespoon or two of cooking oil. Now you're going to put the veggies in. So I've got some mushrooms, about a cup of mushrooms here, 2 cups of broccoli, and a cup of sliced green pepper. So you can add any kind of veggies you like. Now just add a tablespoon of light soy sauce. I'm going to add a tablespoon of my favorite oyster flavored sauce. Now I'm going to add back the chicken. So keep the heat at high heat so you get a good sear on everything. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water, so that's about a ladle there. That'll just steam the veggies a little bit. So I'm mixing a tablespoon of cornstarch in a 1/3 cup of water, so this will thicken the sauce. So just pour the cornstarch solution in there. You might not need the whole thing, but if you want thicker sauce, you can put the whole thing in there. So you want to add some more water. If the sauce is too thick, just add some more water. So now you're going to put the chicken and all the veggies over the bird's nest. There you have it, chicken chop suey stir fry over a crispy potato bird nest. Enjoy.